just put a hole straight through the chair. Just put a hole straight through it. It's broken the chairs. Yeah. Yeah. Unbelievable. Okay? No, it's all good. I can't get around. I'd say everything's stuck. Just look around here. Oh.
Someone's glasses!
Yeah, no, Mick, don't. Just leave them. Mick, if it's put a hole through the chair, it'll go through your head.
Whoa!
Hell.
Are you getting all this stuff?
Yeah, I am, though.
Fucking hell, man. I'm scared, bro.
Oh, yeah? Now this...
We're getting to the top.
This is... Yeah.
Whoa, whoa! Missed that one. Whoa!
Put a hole in everything.
Take the lighter! Take the lighter! Ah!
Oh!
It's coming down.
Look how big these buggers are. Not a lot you can do, eh? Look at that. That's just unbelievable. The what? The solo.
Look at that freaking chair!
Yeah. Easy, Mick. Yeah. That is unbelievable. I wonder. Yeah, Merry Christmas as well.
How big's the book? Oh, no, cigarette.
This one. Look at the size of it.
There's like a massive one out there that's like the size of my hand.
Hey, Mick.
Right, close the window downstairs. It hit me in the leg.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Look at the holes in the
Oh my
chair.
god. That is abnormal.
What I pressed.
Huh? It's random size. Yeah, but basically that size. Did you see the hailstones outside? Under the size of my head.
Why not? Cigarettes. Bloody hell. Can't be serious. Look at this. It's unbloody believable. Oh hell, in the barbecue. Put a hole in the barbecue.
For $120 and they just do the whole thing.
Yeah?
Yeah. No, not O'Brien's, they're the dearest. You get the other mob. This guy here got a sunroof on this, smashed the whole of the sunroof on the top, popped the light on the side, his indicator light.
What happened, mate? Look at all the leaves off the trees.
Yeah.
Look at this.
I've heard White Christmas, but this is a bit ridiculous.
That's a bit crazy. Merry Christmas, Max. Jeez, look at your sunroof. Good God. That's just amazing. That's unbelievable.
I'm on lemonade.
Well, a white Christmas. I don't think I'll be dreaming of one of them. Bridge, don't drag shit in on the bottom of your feet. You should have put some shoes on, darling. We all got smashed crap, haven't
Car's
we?
probably going to be written off.
Yeah. Jeez, eh? Well,
I lost mine in Spain. Look like got a habit too. Yeah.
jeez. That's a bit like yours, Renee. Look at this. Anywhere else get hit like that?
Thank God nobody got hit by it.
Yeah, exactly.
It's unreal, isn't it?
Look at the solidness of these bloody things.
Yeah, they're like
Off the road!
they're like
Off the road!
they're like
That itch you.
yeah. What did Gail want
When? Chivy.
when she said come and I want to talk to you?
Oh, I said something to upset her, I didn't mean it.
What did you say?
Bitch about me having a cigarette and I said, well, I just got you a $130 present. I didn't mean to say it like that.
Look at all the leaves off the trees. It's really destroyed trees and so Mick's car and your car are stuffed. The roof of your BM is stuffed. Look at the dents. You got dents in here, Mick. You seen the dents?
Holy shit. Look at these.
All
At least
the
20.
dents in the top of his car.
30.
Eh?
At least the screen's okay.
No, it's not.
Isn't it?
Look over here, Duff.
Oh,
Look at that.
that's like all of Renee's car screen everywhere.
Yeah.
It's terrible.
So much for a Merry Christmas. This is absolutely broken out of here. Yeah.
Is this the 2012 stuff?
Yes, it is, H.
Have you got the movie at your house?
Probably. How weird is that? Well, I think that went back in, but why it came out, I don't know. There's got to be something else.
If only I had a pull the car in and around. Thank God I don't work at the panel shop anymore.
Oh, God.
Did you used to work at it?
Yeah. 5 months. But I only took in really good cars.
You know, it knocked out my rear indicator light. I just put it back in. I don't know how. Well,
How
that'll
would
do.
it do that?
Some of
without,
the
like,
see, look at something the size of this. These were smashing apart, hitting the grass. Like, you know how hard this has to hit the grass to smash? Here's what it's done.
Yeah. There.
Yep.
Oh,
Up to
It's
there.
like on
it's actually
on
broken.
stuff,
It's
like
actually broken it.
this.
You
It's
know
actually
not
broken
Jesus'
it there.
birthday. Yeah.
Oh no, it's not the kids' birthday, but they're celebrated.
You know why?
Because they did it on the kids.
Well, basically, it's because it's the